So babies came home in the incubator. So it's our portable incubator. And it's plugged in. It's a nice toasty 40. And
Do you need to have
we're going to, so they're nice and quiet because they're happy. Happy little puppies.
So, do you need a battery for
No,
this?
no, just hit the power button. And put it on ounces. Yeah, you got pounds and ounces. There you go. Okay, good. All right. So, is this the little girl?
No, that's the boy.
Okay.
The little girl's all white.
Okay. So 10.2.
That's great.
So we'll put 10.2 on this. Merle boy. Merle boy. 10.2. Good. Okay. This is the Merle girl. Pretty little thing. Yes.
I think
Okay.
she's a little harlequin. Girl, she's a little harlequin, and her head's kind of smashed a little bit from being in the canal. Short tail. That short little thing.
Yes. What's she weigh? A little bit less.
8'4".
8.4, so that goes there. 8.4. 8.4. Okay. So you've got the Merle boy and the Merle girl. Now the platinum boy. Give you the platinum boy.
Oh goodness! Did you need to show the Merle boy again?
No, we're good. I'll
Okay.
tell you. It's great. So
Okay,
yes.
this is the platinum boy.
Nice and pink.
Yes, he is.
Pink and happy.
Look at his little hair standing up here on his head.
Yeah.
He's TTing away now.
10.3? 10.1. 10.1.
Yes.
10.1. 10.1. Okay. And
Okay,
then
okay.
last one is the lilac boy. Lilac boy, yes.
He's a pretty thing. He is pretty. Look at his coloring. Isn't he gorgeous?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. It's like an AA,
10
doesn't
points
it?
showing up. No, you got 10 points on
I know it. But he's just a
8.2.
rich,
Good.
rich color.
Nothing wrong with those sizes. All right. So now it's time to start introducing puppies to mum.
He's got a real high intensity gene. Look how white that is.
Mm-hmm.
His,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Yep.
Pretty,
You want to introduce him first?
I guess.
Let's see how mum does. So this is where you just, Tammy's going to just be cautious and just cup them in the hands and see what mum does. Remember, she's never had puppies before.
Mama, you got babies. You got babies. And you got a bloody bed. I don't like that.
Yeah, that's all right.
You're gonna have to change your bed already. Goodness sakes. Goodness sakes, Mama. Looky here. Oh, I like to do the back end first. Yeah, is that your baby? Huh? Is that your baby? She's gonna smell forever because she does this when she goes potties outside. She smells the ground. You hear your baby? Oh, yes, that's your baby. Yes, that's your baby. Yes, that's your baby. That's a baby, Mama. That's your baby. Yes, yes. Yeah, there's your baby. Oh, goodness sakes. Yeah, you wanna lay down? You wanna lay down?
I apologise for the camera focusing on the bars.
Oh, yeah.
So what Tammy's trying to get done here is number one, get her to accept her baby. And then see if she can put the baby on nipple, get the baby nursing before the next one comes out. So you're going to roll her on the side.
Let's lay down. Be careful. I'm being careful. I know. He's nursing.
Oh, yes.
He's nursing real good.
So remember, the little blood here is quite normal, nothing to worry about. So if you, this is her just kind of shrinking up and getting rid of all the muck inside her.
Yeah.
And Mama's doing really, Mama's
She's wanting me to make sure. I'm coming right back. I'm coming right back.
showing signs that she kind of knows what's going on. Good girl, Phoebe. Here comes puppy number 2.
Oh, looky there, Mama. Looky there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, looky there. Yeah. That's your baby. That's your baby. Yeah.
So Tammy has a trick, and if she gets a dog that's not interested in puppies, which Phoebe's doing great, what she does is she puts a smear of peanut butter on their bottoms, and she'll lick that off, and that'll get them to kind of stimulate them, and she'll get the smell of her puppies.
Yeah.
And I mean, it can be a little bit distressing for a dog when you've got a puppy that's crying. You're not sure, but she's doing really well.
Yes, that's your baby. That's your baby. Yeah, that's your baby. That's your baby. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. 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 Here we go. Boy, you don't have to show them.
That's not right.
Yeah. Oh, starving.
Yeah.
That's
Shall I
a good
go be the
mama.
next baby?
Good mama. Huh?
I'll go be the next baby, because you've got your hands full and you're in a good position, so we'll go grab another baby. So, this is going really quick. It might take you half an hour to get mama to... Okay, you're okay, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Stand by your right-hand side, Tammy.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
So one of the problems you'll have here is that mama will stand up and not want to stay down for her babies. It's totally the opposite of what Phoebe's doing here. Phoebe's falling right into place.
Yeah.
But
Goodness
you can very often
sake.
see they don't want to lay down.
Goodness
They don't want to do this.
Yeah, goodness
Grab
sake.
another one. That's 3. Okay. That's the last one right here. Where are you, little wriggle pot? There you are. By the way, we're going to leave this on for the next 3 weeks. That thing's going to be plugged in, turned on in case we need it.
And it's Penny's run.
Yes, exactly. This is a little this is a little Harlequin girl.
Here, I don't think your elbow's in the way. Boy, they were starving to death, Mom. Oh, looky here. Here's a little girl. There's the little girl.
You licking on it?
No,
No.
she's just smelling and going, I don't know if I like this. Yes, that's a good mama. That's a good mama. That's your baby. Yeah, look at the mama, baby. Yeah. Okay, he's lost his nipple over here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, here, let's find one right here. Right here, baby. Oh, my nose is itching.
So I'm going to put this up on top of the cage so it shows through it.
Here we go. Oh, wrong thing.
Hopefully you can see that.
We're gonna get the colostrum, and then in day 3 should be the milk be coming in. Come on, little girl. Let me get him up here. Oh. Okay, I need you to stretch a little bit. Yeah, lay down. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay.
And they're acting, aren't they?
Okay. Okay. Goodness sakes. Okay. Okay, reverse
Bit of
sneezing.
reverse sneezing going on.
Yeah. Now the little girl's taking interest. Okay. There we go. There we go. Yes. Okay, guys, did you find the nipple down there? Yes, you did. You sure did. Oh, yeah. Okay, did you find it? Here, Bubba. Here you go, Bubba. Right here. There you go, Bubba. Yeah. Okay, look at that. Aren't they pretty?
Yep. Yep, great
She's just
stuff.
a little ball. Isn't she pretty?
So we're not going to give her any food yet. And when we do, we're just going to have a small amount because you're just going to, and water as well. We've got to be careful because they can drink a lot and just puke it right back out.
Yeah.
So just kind of slowly bring the food and the milk and the water on in the next few hours. So it's midnight. So we're going to spend another 30, 40 minutes with these guys to make sure everything's okay. If all goes good, then we're going to close everything up, hit the sack, leave the door open to the bedroom, so if we hear any noise going on, we go check it out. Probably put the camera in here as well. What do you think, Tammy?
She's checking the bed.
Pretty good start?
Yeah. I'm trying to think where my camera is that will keep it on. I think it's in this drawer. There's a good girl. There's a good mama. Yeah, there's a good mama. Yes, ma'am. Look at those flat faces. Yes. 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 Yeah, I know.
Right, we're done with the camera.
Where's that?
It's right here. Right, night night, everybody.
Want to make that longer one?
Hey, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate people who subscribe to me. It helps me, encourage me to do more of these videos. But do remember, disclaimer here, I am not a vet. I'm not a licensed medical professional. I'm purely a person who's been breeding dogs for the last couple of decades. Any information that you got from this video, use at your own risk. There's nothing implied here, and certainly this should not be used as a substitute for advice from your veterinarian or your medical professional. I hope you enjoyed the video. Come back for more of them. Bye.